It is Tuesday, May 7th, so this is my second day of fasting, and so far so good. I've just started becoming like super hungry at this time, so I actually made coffee for the first time. I don't drink coffee at all, literally nothing. This is probably the first cup of coffee I had this year, but I mean, I feel like for fasting purposes, it'll kind of help you through the process. I probably wouldn't drink any more than just this one cup. You don't want to overdo it. That's just an update. Some people say coffee does break your fast, and some people say it doesn't. I still don't know, and I don't think I will ever know till this day. Probably the best thing is to just stick to water. We'll just test the waters and just see how I feel. I mean, I probably won't continue coffee after this thing, so I guess I'll update you whenever I remember, hopefully tomorrow. And yeah, so far so good. Okay, so it is day 3 of my water fast. Wednesday, May 8th. I feel much weaker today. I heard that the first 2 to 3 days are the hardest. This is the current condition of how my skin looks like, so pretty similar to what it looks like. But I also did some research of like what was the best water to drink. I have heard more things about distilled water during a fast just because it doesn't contain all the vitamins and minerals. It's just flat water, and then that basically means that your stomach will work less and your metabolism, I guess, will work less trying to absorb all these vitamins and minerals and stuff like that. This obviously is a time where your stomach needs to just fully rest. So I just bought like a couple big things of like distilled water. This will probably be the stuff that I'll try to drink from now on. I did a sea salt flush this morning and I did an enema last night. So yeah, I think I'm gonna alternate between the two. So tomorrow will be an enema and then the day after will be a salt flush, and then I'm just gonna chill out. I actually just drove like and I don't think you're supposed to drive when you're fasting. Camera died, but yeah, as I said, I don't think you're supposed to be driving when you're fasting. I'm just gonna take it easy for the rest of the day. Okay, so basically if you're fasting, I heard if you're not doing like the sea salt flushes and like the enemas, like you're pretty much not making the process of fasting as effective as it could get. Obviously fasting is great and beneficial because you're not consuming any more junk into your system. Nothing's entering, but it's not beneficial in a sense that you're not getting rid of all that gunk and garbage that's in your body that's accumulated over time. Anyway, if I think of anything else to say that I've researched, I will let you know. I will just, I guess, update you tomorrow on how my skin is. Oh my gosh, that is like crazy. I'm hoping some gut cleansing and healing will be going on. So yeah, I'll see you tomorrow. Friday, May 10th, 1:42 p.m. So update. So this is day 5 of my fast. I feel dead today. I just want to sleep. I think I'm just gonna sleep for the rest of the day. I feel so... Yesterday I didn't document, but I felt fine. I actually went grocery shopping that day. I bought stuff to break my fast with. I'm gonna post a video. So next week's video, you're gonna see how I break my fast. But yeah, I bought stuff to break my fast with. I'm planning strategically how to break my fast because apparently that's like more important. Fasting itself is very important, but if you're not breaking your fast in a very strategic, healthy way, then it could completely be counterproductive, your fasting. Like it could have no good effect on you whatsoever. Basically, Monday and Tuesday were the only days I kind of effed up. Monday I had a bit of lemon water, and then the Tuesday I had the coffee, thinking that would be a good idea, but apparently I've done more research and it's saying that coffee will actually break your fast. So Wednesday and yesterday, literally just pure water. Today is just pure water. We're just going to do pure distilled water. That's what I'm going with. I'm going to try to stretch out my fast until Sunday and then break it on Monday. I would still consider Monday and Tuesday fasting just because I still had no solid food and like very low calorie. Very little calories in lemon juice. 0 calories are in caffeine, but I think just the caffeine itself, it messes up your body and puts stress on your body. So that's why coffee is not the best thing. But anyway, I'm gonna go back to bed. I'm super tired. I'm gonna do literally all my fasting. I've just been doing research on fasting, how to break my fast, the best things to do on your fast, during your fast. I'm just resting. It's just a time where you rest. It's a self-care week, that is for sure. You should not be planning anything. The only things I'd done this week was grocery shop, but that was like really low maintenance because I only drive for like 5 minutes and then I'm doing very like light walking. So at least I have some movement, but it's not like exercising. So I get at least some lymphatic drainage. I try to stretch every single day, and yeah, I'm just gonna continue. As for skin, my cystic acne seems to be going away. Like it doesn't hurt anymore, but I do feel some bumps, of course. Super red. The inflammation has gone down. So far so good. I mean, my acne isn't getting worse, so that's a good sign. I will do another check-in tomorrow. Almond butter is staring me right in my face. I literally bought this just so I can enjoy it after I break my fast. Thing is since I'm not gonna be able to eat solid foods until like next Thursday probably, can't have this for like another week. Why did I keep this in my room? Anyway, just thought I would complain to you. Okay, I'll see you tomorrow. Saturday, pretty much 12 p.m. I'm watching Morpheus ASMR, the mukbang. I swear the amount of mukbangs I've watched over the course of this week have been very unreal. Like that just shows how much I'm thinking about food and like how addictive food is. This literally opened my eyes to how addictive food is. And it's like no wonder no one can do a 7-day water fast or any fast for that matter, like a day even. You know, people are so addicted to food and like keep thinking that they're hungry or they're gonna die, but it's like people do like 21 water day fasts. Obviously you can't have any like health conditions of any sort. For the most part you gotta be like supervised by like a doctor or some sort of person. I personally am used to fasting, so this is kind of not really a big deal for me, but I mean it may be a big deal for someone who literally never fasted once in their life. So that's when I would say you should probably get supervision and like don't follow what I do and just go cold turkey and do it. So this is what my skin is looking like. And honestly, it looks dramatically better and flatter than how it did at the beginning of the week. I have no acne that hurts anymore, which is great. So pretty much no cystic acne. But tomorrow will be basically the last day of my fast, and then I'm gonna break my fast on Monday. My pimples are significantly smaller. It just looks kind of intense because they're just super red for some reason. But I'm not complaining. They're not getting worse. They're actually getting better. So that's a good sign that this is working and it is motivating me. Like it's a good motivation. I guess I will update you tomorrow and I'll just keep continuing chilling out. Yeah, I'll see you tomorrow. It is legit 3:30 a.m. Sunday. I cannot fall asleep. I'm having such hard troubles, so I just feel like I needed to document that. This water fast, like again, it is not easy. It definitely takes a lot of willpower because I heard also that when you do water fast, you require way less sleep than the average person. This is the first time that I've stayed up this late. The past couple of days, I went to bed around like 1 to 2 a.m. But today, I feel like I'm not gonna fall asleep until like 4 a.m. And tomorrow's Mother's Day and we're supposed to go out for lunch. Since you don't have to run on as much sleep when you water fast, I feel like I could be up in time. Thank God tomorrow is my last day of the fast and then I could finally break it on Monday. So I just have to struggle. I have to just push through this one last day. I still feel good. Like I don't feel sick or anything like that. It's just I don't feel tired. So yeah, this is like the weirdest feeling. I never thought I would feel so awake at 3:30 a.m. in the morning. I will see you tomorrow for the final update, or today technically since it's already Sunday. But yeah, wish me luck trying to fall asleep. Hello. So I didn't get much sleep at all. For some reason, I have a lot of energy. So I think that means that I'm in full ketosis. I literally had no sleep. Like I literally got no sleep, but I still feel like I have full energy. Like I did a whole hour-long yoga session and then now I'm just kind of chilling. Probably gonna take a shower. Since it is the last day, I just want to do this for kicks. I mean, this was in no way or shape or form to lose weight, but I just kind of want to see how much I weigh just because like I'm curious. So we're just gonna see. Oh my god. I weigh 119 pounds. Dude, that is scary. I lost like, I'll put a clip in here somewhere of what I weighed before, but like 119 pounds. That's like 14 pounds I lost, or 15. I don't even know. Obviously, like I'm gonna gain weight back once I start eating again. Like I'm not worried about losing that much weight just because again, I haven't eaten for a week. So I mean, that's normal. Again, you gotta gain it back healthily. I'm just gonna, one more time. Okay, now it's saying 118.2. Okay, wait, hold up. I have to keep doing this. And I'm holding the camera as well. That does add on a bit of weight. 118.2. Hold up. Okay, so with the camera, I'm 118, and without it, I'm 117. That is freakishly low weight. But again, I'm not worried about it. I'm gonna gain it back. I'm gonna make it sure I gain it back healthily though. My body is in a complete shock right now. You don't wanna like abuse it once you go into like refeeding mode. You wanna start with liquids, then to like mush, then to solids kind of thing. This is the most energy I've ever felt all week, to be honest. That concludes my 7 day of fasting. Next week, you're gonna gonna just see a whole week long of how I'm gonna break my fast, and then by the end of that week I'm gonna weigh myself again just for kicks, and then we're gonna see how my skin is also by the end of that week, because I assume with refeeding and getting all the good nutrients I need, I feel like my skin hopefully will clear up even more, because obviously I'm not getting any nutrients all week. I mean, it definitely has been improving, like it's flattening down, and I have no more cystic acne that hurts anymore, like I said before, no upcoming pimples, everything seems to be drying out, which is great. I don't regret this fasting experience. Honestly, it went way faster than I thought it would. I thought it was gonna go really slow, but it's already the last day and it doesn't even feel like I've not eaten for 7 days. For someone who has not fasted before, will probably not be suited for this. Again, I'm not a medical professional, disclaimer. Don't try this at home. If you wanna do this, you should talk to your doctor. Don't take my word for it, do your own research. But from what I experienced, my skin is clearing up. And also another side effect that I thought was in my head, I noticed my teeth getting whiter. So that just shows that like your skin, your whole body's literally rejuvenating itself and almost becoming a new person when you fast. Because again, I thought this was all in my head, but I again did some more research. Apparently, teeth whitening naturally is a way of your body again rejuvenating itself while fasting. That's actually a side effect, like a good side effect of fasting. Yeah, my teeth are so much whiter, which is awesome. My skin is clearer. Okay, so this is one last update of my skin. No cystic acne. These are just, I feel like the acne just came to the surface. I'm gonna wash my face after this, but these are flat. I'm just trying to feel what's flat and what's not. So this one's a bit above. This was a cystic acne, but now it like kind of risen. So yeah, these are all like bumps almost. It is almost texture, like they're not actual pimples anymore, just red texture. So that's awesome. These are completely non-existent. And yeah, so hopefully during refeeding, my redness will go down. I'm gonna get some nutrients in me, and then you're gonna see all the stuff I consume to again refeed myself. So yeah, I'm gonna cut it off here. Hope you have a good day, good night, wherever you are. If you like videos like this, please subscribe to my channel. I post every Thursday, and you should become part of the skincare squad, where we focus on not just externally, but internally for our hormonal acne journey. So I'm glad I took you along for this experience. But anyway, comment down below what you think of this and what other questions you want me to answer. And yeah, I will see you in the next video. Peace.